What I'm trying to do is that presently it is working like this. See, so here I can say Android and Android. If I say login, Android is coming here, and I want to read this USNM as a route variable, and I want to show Android welcome username and the welcome message. So let me go to the second page. So presently I am on the first page. Let me go to the second. So into the second.html, let me have some basic syntax of the Bootstrap. Right, let me get it. So here you can say h3 welcome and USNM. This would be your string interpolation h3. This would be your string interpolation h3, right? So in the second TS there should have one property called as USNM, right? USNM of type string. We need to have this thing. Obviously I need to inject the router if I want to get some data, right? And I want to get something called as router state, right? Router state. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So there is one cheat sheet they have given on the website, default Angular website. They have given the cheat sheet. Right, they have given one cheat sheet. If you can see here, can you see? I'm going to use something called as activated route. Activated route. I would be using this thing. Now what is this? A service that is provided to each route component that contains a route specific information such as route variables or route parameters, static data, resolve data, and global query params, and the global fragment. Fragment is nothing but your links that you are talking about. That if you want to retrieve, you are going to use the class activated route. Which class you would be using? Activated route. Means if I want to get the route variables, I need to deal with activated route. Private, you can say route snapshot. So here I can say activated route, right? So here you can say activated route. So import, and from the router package, Angular router package, I want to import activated route, this thing, right? I would be loading this activated route. Now ng-on init, inside ng-on init, right, I can assign, I can read the data from this activated route, right? And I can assign, so here I can say activated route variable, and I'm going to assign, see how, this dot activated route dot snapshot dot params. So here you are going to get the params and the variable name that you have written in the routing configuration. So what you have written? Second / colon USNM. That name here you are going to pass USNM, right? And you can obviously assign this to this dot USNM is equals to this. See, so how I extracted the data. So activated route snapshot, it is going to return. So just go to the activated route, and activated route, we are dealing with the activated route snapshot, the current snapshot of this route. Go to the class and read the documentation, what they are saying. What it does? Contains the information about the route associated with the component loaded in the outlet. It is having route information about that component which is loaded into the outlet at a particular moment in the time. So activated route snapshot can also be used to traverse the router state tree. So if you want to get current snapshot of the router, so you are going to use the snapshot like this dot activated route dot snapshot dot params and your USNM. So impact of this would be like this. Now can you see that's working automatically? Welcome Android. So here I can go and here I can say Codekul and Codekul and just tap on the login. Here you will say Codekul. Here you are going to see Codekul. Same thing about what you can say your forget password. If you go to the forget password here, again you need to import what you can say this your activated route. Again you are going to import the activated route over here, right? And here you can say activated route. Let me import once again activated route, right? Activated route over here, right? And USNM, you can say USNM string. It would be having type of string, and same in the forget password I can do in the ng init, right? On the ng init we can do same thing like this. So in the forget password over here, just go to the forget password, you have email, right? So I can have value and property binding to the value, and you can say USNM. USNM is a variable inside the class. So if you can go here writing and click on the forget, can you see by default email it is giving you as Codekul, because Codekul is coming from this and getting entered into this. Route variables. So reading the route variables. For reading the route variables, you have used activated route snapshot. Activated route dot snapshot dot params. Activated route dot snapshot dot params. So here you are doing that thing. Activated route dot snapshot dot params. Which one? Yeah, this is a class variable. This is a variable name. Anything XYZ, whatever. Yes, absolutely. You can provide anything over here. Absolutely, you can provide anything over here. So if you want to read it, remember that you need to get the help of activated route this activated route will be helping you. You can inject activated route directly over here. Right? Okay, so this is how you would be reading data from the router by means of activated route. But this is having one fatal problem, right? That we'll discuss in the next tutorial, right? Let me save it.